Update coming in from Bengal. 7 persons who were injured have been admitted to the Murshidabad, the Medical College Hospital, with minor injuries, though, that have been reported. But Section 144 has been imposed under the Shaktipur police station area. Additional police force, CAPF, has been deployed in the area, but no fresh incident for now overnight. Situation under control in the Bengal police. The statement that is coming from the Bengal police has said that for now the situation appears under control. India Today's Indrajit Kundu joining me for that. Indrajit, what are the details that you're picking up this morning about the incident?
Well, Pooja, as we've been reporting, there was a clash that erupted following a Ram Navami procession in Shaktipur area of Murshidabad district yesterday evening, following which the police had to lathi charge and fire tear gas shells to disperse the mob, the two warring sides. There were 7 people who were injured. We are told that the injuries are not very serious. Some of them were given first aid and released. 7 people remain admitted in the hospital at the Murshidabad Medical College Hospital, and additional forces have been sent to the area to bring the situation under control yesterday evening. Overnight, there has been no fresh incident of violence. Section 144 was imposed in the same area a few days back. That continues to remain. In fact, meanwhile, politics, of course, has begun in swing over the matter because, as you know, Adil Ranjan Chaudhary, who is a Bengal Congress chief, and also the Baharampur MP, he went and met some of the injured people at the Murshidabad Medical College Hospital, but he was greeted with protests by BJP workers who blamed him and his which led to the incident that took place in Murshidabad. But Adil Ranjan Chaudhary, on his part, claims that this is nothing but a pre-planned, orchestrated riot triggered by the BJP. He's saying that, blaming the BJP for it. So a war of word in swing between the BJP and the opposition political parties here in West Bengal.
All right, I appreciate you joining us. Indrajit will be keeping an eye on what's unfolding in the state. There are tensions in Murshidabad area, though since yesterday, the situation has now been under control. But what exactly happened? It was the Ram Navami occasion, a festive occasion, but there were instances of unrest in different parts of Bengal despite tight security arrangements. Now, clearly, at least Bengal and parts of it were where it was not completely violence-free. What happened this time is that the BJP is alleging clashes broke out in Murshidabad during a Ram Navami procession. Several people have reportedly received injuries as well. The Saffron Party is claiming that stones were pelted at the rally and that the shops were vandalized. Injured have been taken to the Murshidabad Medical College and Hospital in Baharampur. But this went on beyond a TMC and a BJP showdown. When Congress MP Adil Ranjan Chaudhary reached the hospital to meet the injured, BJP supporters and workers were angry and they staged massive protests against him too. And the incident comes days after Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee warned of riots breaking out on Ram Navami, alleging that violence will be incited deliberately.
ये तो होना ही था। इन लोगों को मन बढ़ा दिया राज्य की मुख्यमंत्री। पिछले 4 दिन से लगातार वो यही बोलते आ रही है कि रामनवमी का दिन एक दंगा का दिन है। कुछ लोग दंगा करना चाहते हैं। तो आज पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता को सारे राजनीतिक विभाजन के ऊपर उठकर ये सोचना चाहिए, फिर से पश्चिम बंगाल एक बंटवारा देखेगा। फिर से ममता जी का कारण पश्चिम बंगाल का भीतर एक नया बांग्लादेश पैदा हो जाएगा।
तो ये छोटा मोटा कुछ हो गया है, छोटा पार्टी ऑफिस था, बैठने के लिए लोग हम बैठता था, तो कल रात को ये हुआ है। इसके पीछे कुछ है, मतलब है कुछ ये भी है, कम्युनल कुछ लगा देने का भी कोशिश है। तो हम लोग पुलिस को ऑलरेडी एफआईआर कर चुके हैं। मैं पुलिस का जो स्पेशल ऑब्जर्वर बंगाल में आया है उनसे बात करूंगा।